we're getting live visuals as well from the parliament. This is the central hall in the parliament. We're seeing Pushkar Singh Dhami in the frame. So the B leaders, all the NDA leaders have started arriving there already. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Devendra Fadnavis, Himanta Biswa Sarma, all seen in the frame. Anupriya Patel as well. The meeting is all set to begin. The Union for Home Minister Amit Shah, they're meeting the BJP leaders. Now, in just a few moments from now, the NDA meeting is all set to begin. Today, of course, all the NDA chief ministers, deputy chief ministers, all the MPs of the NDA have all been called to the national capital for this show of unity and show of strength ahead of the government formation and the oath-taking ceremony that is taking place on the 9th of June. Now, Amit Shah seen interacting with the newly elected MPs. Suresh Gopi there on your screens, the first BJP MP to be ever elected in Kerala. Amit Shah congratulating Suresh Gopi as he won from the Thrissur constituency. He is personally meeting each of the MP elects who have gathered there for the meeting of the NDA that is expected in just a few moments from now. So all the NDA allies have also been called in. Mohit, the visuals that we're seeing on the screens, this is a show of unity and strength that the NDA had been putting up, of course, had been talking about. The NDA chief ministers, deputy chief ministers, all MPs invited. We're seeing visuals of Amit Shah interacting with each of them.
Phyllis, in fact, and the chief ministers, deputy chief ministers and the state president are not the member of the NDA parliamentary party, but they have still been invited because this is a big occasion that the NDA parliamentary party will choose Narendra Modi as their leader, and after that the BJP-led NDA will be staking claim to form the government. Now we see that how host of the NDA MPs, the senior leader, chief ministers from different states have reached parliament. The visuals are coming out. We just saw that how Nitish Kumar, Bihar chief minister, has also left for the parliament. It's a show of strength by the NDA that yes, we are together. The opposition parties have been raising questions on the role of Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu, that whether they will support Narendra Modi or not, whether they will remain with the alliance or not. But as of now, everything is sorted according to the BJP and the alliance partners. They are ready to give out their support to Narendra Modi, and they have in fact extended their support to Narendra Modi day before yesterday itself. And in all likelihood, after this particular meeting, Narendra Modi and all the other constituents of the NDA will be going to Rashtrapati Bhavan to stake the claim to form the government. So the oath taking is also likely to take place on 9th of June, that is Sunday. So things as of now are going smoothly for the NDA alliance, but when it comes to cabinet portfolio and distribution, that will take some time. That will also take some hectic parlays. All the permutations and combinations will be done, and after that, that will be discussed. But today is the day when the NDA parliamentary party meeting will take place. A show of strength will be held. Top-notch leaders of the NDA will take part in that meeting. All the MPs from the NDA will take part in the meeting, and Narendra Modi will be chosen as their leader.
Okay, all right. So the process is going to take place today, but you know, the visuals that we're seeing on the screens, Mohit, like we mentioned, Amit Shah meeting each of the MP elects. Very, very warm pictures that we are seeing. Currently, of course, Pawan Kalyan seen there meeting Ravi Kishan. He has been greeted with a hug. So a lot of camaraderie that we are seeing as well. You know, the allies are very, very important for the NDA government, for the BJP at this point. The allies are going to be very, very crucial. And in the discussions as well, the allies have said time and again that we may be putting forth some of the demands which are just discussions. As of now, you know, we are very, very clear that we want a strong government at the center. So our support remains with the NDA.
Well, you see, with 28 seats, TDP and JDU have the bargaining power, and the scenes are not same for the BJP that were there in 2014 and 2019, whether of their own they had a majority and allies were accommodated but not on the plum post. But this time around, the allies could ask for the plum post. But today is the day when all the NDA constituents leaders, they basically say that today is the day when their meeting is taking place, they're part of a family, and they will today choose the head of the family, that is Narendra Modi, and then the NDA will stake claim to form the government. So as of now, NDA's house is in perfect order. We see that how Amit Shah himself is reaching out to welcome all the leaders, in fact, from his party and from the NDA alliance partners. And Amit Shah was the one on the day of result at around 4 to 5 p.m. when the results were clear that BJP is not getting the majority. He himself had telephonic conversation with Nitish Kumar, with Chirag Paswan, with Chandrababu Naidu, with Shrikant Shinde and all the constituents of the NDA that they need to be together, because BJP knew at that particular point that of their own they will not be able to reach out to the magical number of 272, and perhaps that is why we see that how at the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when the NDA meeting took place, Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar was sitting just adjacent to Prime Minister. So that was also about the optics that yes, they are the senior most members of the NDA and they are with the Prime Minister, and equal respect would be given to them. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when he reached out to BJP headquarters on the result day, he clearly mentioned that how in Andhra Pradesh, under the leadership of Chandrababu Naidu, in Bihar, under the leadership of Nitish Kumar, how NDA has performed exceptionally well. So the BJP will also have to be accommodative this time around. They will have to speak on, they will have to compromise on certain ministries. And yes, they are ready, what we are being told. But there are certain ministries that they are not ready to give out. Rest, the talks can take place. At yesterday's meeting at the residence of JP Nadda, where we saw Amit Shah and top-notch ministers of the government, they were reached over there, the senior leaders reached over there, and how exactly the allies will be accommodated, who exactly will be coordinating with the allies, that all was being discussed. But today is the day everyone says when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be chosen as the leader of the parliamentary party, and then they will stake claim to form the government.
Okay, all right. And the allies, of course, have said that we don't have any demands as such. We're told that the LJP is looking at the Agriculture Ministry as well as to MOS. While speaking to the media, though, Chirag Paswan said that we just want a strong government at the centre.
मैं सिरे से इन तमाम अफवाहों को खारिज करता हूं। लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी का पूरा समर्पण हमारे नेता आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी के लिए है। एनडीए लीडर्स की भी अभी परसों जो बैठक हुई थी, उसमें भी बिना किसी शर्त के लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी ने अपना पूरा समर्पण हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व के प्रति हम लोगों ने सौंपने का हम लोगों ने काम किया है। और ऐसे में पार्टी की ना कोई शर्त है, पार्टी की ना कोई मांग है। और मैं एनडीए की तरफ से भी इस बात को कह सकता हूं, एनडीए के किसी घटक दल ने उस दिन बैठक में ना कोई शर्त रखी, ना कोई मांग रखी, बिना किसी शर्त। मां महिम राष्ट्रपति जी से भी संभव था दिन में तमाम एनडीए के नेता मुलाकात कर उनको भी अपना समर्थन पत्र, प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व वाली चिट्ठी उनको भी सौंपी जाएगी।
Just a few moments ago, we also played out visuals of Nitish Kumar meeting Samrat Chaudhary. These are, of course, visuals from the Central Hall in the Parliament. We continue getting you these live visuals. Slipping into a very quick break here. The NDA meeting is all set to begin in a few moments from now. We'll be back with the live updates.